Hello, welcome back. I'm back again. I'm gonna do a short video here. It's been a little while since I posted a video, but this is gonna be a short one. I just wanted to come today so we can talk about a topic that I came across online, a group of people discussing this topic, which I've been thinking about for a while, and I thought it's time to break into the topic and have a discussion, with you guys on this. So this is an issue of where partners, husband and wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, kind of feel like, they need to know what is going on with their partner's, personal device like a cell phone, tablet, or computer, email and all that stuff. And this usually arises when a situation of trust or lack thereof is creeping in the relationship. One partner doesn't trust the other partner, or both sides for that matter, that the partner is doing some communications that they don't like with other people. A gentleman talking to another woman, a lady talking to another man. So I think most of you will know that this is a very prevalent issue in a lot of relationships. I've come across these kind of things, myself, before. And usually what I advise people is that, it's okay. As far as I'm concerned, in a relationship, for either partner, to be aware of, what your personal communications are about. There is no need to hide that from each other, unless if you're doing something that is unbecoming. And so, of course, in that case, you want to hide it. And, people can have all kinds of reasons why they don't want to share their passwords with their partners or somebody else. But, as far as I'm concerned, that should not be the case. If you refuse to share your password, I think it only builds, suspicion on the other side that you're hiding something. But, at the same time, if you insist that you want to be able to go and look in your partner's, personal device and see what kind of communications, they're going, they're having with other people, text messaging, pictures, videos and stuff like that, don't be surprised if you find something that you don't like. And all that is going to do is create more conflict between the two of you. So, as long as there's a level of trust, on both sides, I think you should just let it go. And unless if you have a serious issue, a serious concern about something, then, you may want to demand something like that. Other than that, just let it go. I mean, we all have some kind of skeleton in our closet. Some of them really big ones, some of them very small ones, some of them very insignificant. But nonetheless, we all have closets. So sometimes, we don't want, even our significant others to see some things about us. So anyway, subscribe, comment, like, share. And, any comments you have, any questions you have, send them my way. And we can discuss this when we start our live sessions very soon. And so that we can have lively discussions and, touch topics that people have in mind. And we can exchange ideas and see where we go from there. Thank you so much.